Hi, I'm Marna, and I found some great deal on some Mattel Barbie Care Bear little shirts. These were on clearance at my Walmart, and they had one more print that I was not able to get. I waited till they went cheaper, of course, you know how I am. So I thought I'd do a little review. We'd open them, unbox them, and try them on 3 different body types. One thing I really thought was an idea, when my kids were little, I used to buy stuff on clearance, and then I would save it back for holidays, Christmas and Easter. And this is something I would have done if I had, well, like for my nieces. But you could put that out and hide it for a child. It would be really fun for them to find that. These eggs I bought, well, on clearance the year before. These are actually for my bike display outside. I put stuff in them for people going by to see. Okay, so let's open one up. And who knows how hard it'll be, what kind of packaging they have. Well, that wasn't bad. All right, so we'll slide this out. And I have 3 body types ready to see if this will fit. So let's cut this ever so carefully. And, oh, looks like it has Velcro in the back. Wow, this is really thief-proof. You're going to have scissors to get these out if you're a thief. And I'm not giving hints. I'm just amazed. Okay, so it's got Velcro in the back. Looks like a nice strip of Velcro. How cute is that? It's got the little Barbie tag. Like I said, it is made by Mattel. This is not a nude body. It is a Barbie doll. Just a hunk of plastic. And we're going to try this on her. This doll smells so good. I did her hair. She had really messed up hair when she came, and I did the Downy Dunk. Oh, she smells so good. Okay, I had that backwards. Well, a little tight on her, which begs the question. Look at here. That's a little tight. But how cute is that? How cute. That is really cute. I like Barbie to look like Barbie, and this certainly makes her look cute. Okay, I can tell right now that this is not going to fit these 2 dolls. This shirt, you can see in the package, looks wider, like for a wider body, and Lord knows they're making Barbie in some wide bodies. Let's check this and see who it fits. We're going to try this on our Easter doll, who I just get a kick out of. She just, to me, looks like if she were a human being, a real person. Let's see, that goes over her head. I don't want to mess up that hair. Anyway, if she looked like a person, she just looks, I don't know, like she'd be fun and funny. Please forgive the dog playing in the background with the kitty. That's Katie. Katie, that's enough. And we will try this on her. It matches her Easter skirt better, that's for sure. In the end, she's going to have a ribbon wrap shirt for Easter. We haven't made those yet, but we're getting there. But that is a cute shirt on her. It's a little wide. Like I said, I like Barbies to look, they're fashion dolls, and to me, I like them to look like they have fashion sense. Okay, so we're going to try this next on this doll here, the what they call curvy Barbie. And I made this shirt for her, well, and the pants. But I made this shirt for her out of a ribbon and some trim. I used fall print ribbon so that she would have something for her very wide body. And now, oh, she had something she was holding, and I had a little rubber band to hold it, so let me pull that off. And guess what? It looks like they actually made something that's affordable for the, what they call curvy Barbie. I think they're cute shirts, and they're well made. This one too had the nice enough Velcro all the way up and down, so you don't have to yank it over the hair, or, well, you'd never get that up past here. So the Velcro is very nice. It comes packaged cute, would make a really cute gift in an Easter basket or under the Christmas tree or just for fun. Thank you for watching our videos. Please give us a like and please subscribe.